welcome to my tutorial. For today, I'll show you how to go back on Zearn lessons. So as you see, I'm on lesson 14. But if I go to my stuff, I have levels that are skipped. Now, as I continue from here, I have these empty lessons that I have not completed. But a way to do it is you press on the lesson that you missed. After that, it will show you the lesson that you missed, the title, and then it says the Learning Lab, the Tower of Power, and there's a bonus. And it does that for everything, so it's just really easy. All you need to do is just tap on it to do it. That's easy. Oh, also, as you see, the bonus one is kind of like the wild cards. That's what I think the bonus is, but that's mostly it for this tutorial on how to do it. Well, thank you for watching.